We are back here again in the quiet and serene neighborhood of South Peak, San Pedro, Laguna. Hi guys, I'm Arman Cruz. I'm excited to show you this 4-bedroom modern in design home that we featured last November. And ano bang mga nangyari na? Let me give you updates. Tara, samahan niyo ko. If you're new to my channel, I'm Arman Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. If you were able to watch our house tour previously about this property, you will notice that there is a lot of differences. You will see that meron na po tayong pintura sa labas ng bahay, and then meron na rin po tayong gate, and then kitang-kita dahil dyan, kitang-kita nyo na rin po kung ano magiging itsura niya kapag 100% constructed na po siya. As you enter the property, you will also see that the porch and also yung ating mga patio dito sa labas is already tiled. Dito sa ating kabilang dulo naman, meron na rin po tayong sink, and yung abang natin for our maid's room is there pero hindi pa siya tinatayo dahil po sabi ng may-ari kapag meron na pong buyer, saka pa lang siya ilalagay because she wants to give an option para doon sa makakabili kung magkakaroon ba ng maid's room sa labas or wala. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay. Just to give you an idea of the specifications of this property sits in a lot area of 180 square meters, in a floor area of 190 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, a carport that can fit 1 to 2 cars, and it's a maid's room with its own toilet and bath. And lastly, meron din po siyang provision for your landscape garden. Pagpasok natin dito sa loob ng ground floor, you will notice that it's already 85 constructed. Kitang-kita nyo naman po, it's still going on suction, pero yung meron na po tayong tiles, meron tayong ceiling. Yun nga lang, meron pa tayong mga parts ng lighting fixtures natin na hindi nakakabit, and kitang-kita naman ginagawa po yung cabinet natin. For our windows and also sliding glass doors, wala pa po siyang mga salamin. So, hindi pa talaga siya totally tapos. Pero just imagine, pagpunta nyo dito, if you would like to see it in the actual, halos may imagine na yung 100% constructed na. For our kitchen, it's not yet installed, but I'm really excited kasi kitang-kita nyo yung space. So, meron na makikita nyo siya eventually kapag natapos na siya. Pero again, this is 85% constructed. Now, for our toilet and bath and also our bedroom downstairs, wala pa po tayong tiles, but it's still painted. You have your ceiling and meron na po tayong wala pa tayong tiles dun sa baba, and especially for our CR, wala pa tayong nakakabit ng mga fixtures. So, I'm excited because sa second floor, mas maganda na kasi it's 90% constructed. Tara, akit tayo. Welcome to the second floor. I'm really excited to show you this second floor because it's 90% constructed. So tara, ikutin natin lahat ng parte ng bahay. Pasok tayo. This is the first bedroom of the second floor. As you can see, it's very spacious. Meron na tayong pintura sa ating walls and auto ceiling. Nakaayos na rin natin yung lighting fixtures. Konting linis na lang, pero okay na siya. Kitang-kita nyo yung space niya without the cabinets. Pero upon turnover, meron po siyang built-in cabinets so that hindi na kayo maiisip kung bibili pa kayo ng cabinets or not. Yung flooring po natin is SPC wood-like flooring, and wala pa tayong bintana. So still, like tulad dun sa baba, meron na tayong framing pero hindi pa po nakakabit yung ating mga glass. So, right beside the first bedroom here in the second floor, kailangan ko na mag-exercise, parang hinihingal na ako. Kaka-New Year lang. So, dito po tayo sa ating first toilet and bath. Kitang-kita niyo po, wala pa tayong mga fixtures. Tulad po yan ng toilet and bath sa baba. So, wala pa nakakabit. Eventually, malapit na siya. Again, like what I said, 90% constructed na po siya. So, talaga, silipin natin yung other bedroom. Kitang-kita nyo naman, like the first bedroom on the other side, it's the same. You have your painted walls, your ceiling, nakakabit na rin po yung lighting fixtures natin. Tapos, meron na tayong flooring. As you can see, Again, wala pang bintana. So, halos patapos na rin po yung bahay. So, I invite you na silipin nyo na to. Bakit? Once this house is constructed, marami pong titingin, marami pong sisilip. At least kayo po, if you're looking around for a property and you feel like this house might be for you, look at it now para po you have an advantage. And you can decide immediately once it's 100% constructed. So, tara, dito na tayo sa ating master's bedroom. For the master's bedroom, this is a good size already because this whole space that you see is the sleeping area. Meron po kasi itong walk-in closet. So dito, kama lang siya. Kasya po ang ating king-size bed. Same as the first two bedrooms that you saw. You have your painted walls and your ceiling. You have your lighting fixtures installed already. And then, eto po, just imagine this is your wrap-around balcony. Wala pa lang po nakalagay na sliding glass door and also mga glass panels, pero may imagine na siya. Sobrang luwag ng ating balcony. As you can see, it's very spacious. You can walk around all the way to the other side. And ang maganda dito, you can place siguro a set of 4 chairs and also 1 table so that you can just enjoy the afternoon or maybe in the morning, sit down there, have coffee, and read. And let me show you, let's tour around pa itong master's bedroom natin. So here in the master's bedroom, meron din tayong walk-in closet. So what I like about this one, maluwag po yung ating walk-in closet. So again, this is turned over with cabinets. Hindi lang po siya nai-install pa because syempre pag in-install po yan, tapos may construction, madudumihan. Okay? So, here in the master's sa walk-in closet, it's leading towards our toilet and bath for the master. So, this is the biggest toilet and bath in the whole house. And as you can see, meron na tayong tiles. You have your painted ceiling. Meron na pong gypsum board. Naka-hard deflex na po yan. You have your shower area, which you can already imagine yung size niya. Kaya po, I'm inviting you, habang wala pa nakakabit, or hindi pa talaga siya 100% constructed. But if you feel like this is the property for you and your family, I would like to invite you to go on a site visit para po maunahan natin yung mga ibang buyers na gustong sumilip dito. Thank you very much for joining us in our first house tour this 2025. If you would like to go on a site visit and see this property in the actual and gusto nyong unahan at mabili itong property nito at tingin nyo ito rin para sa inyo, I would like to invite you to go on a site visit. Contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Nandiyan po ang aming Viber, WhatsApp, and also ang aming iMessage. Now, if you would like to join us and see the properties that we'll be selling this 2025, you can go on our social media pages. We have our Facebook, Instagram, meron din po tayong LinkedIn, meron po tayong TikTok. You can also join our Viber community para mas direct po yung ating update sa inyo. We give out much more real-time updates on our Viber community. You can join by clicking on the link. Nandiyan po yan sa description. Nandiyan rin po yan sa ating comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, your licensed real estate broker, and see you soon in our next house tours. Bye guys!